we are back with another hair review, and this hair is from 2 different companies. And do y'all like that intro? You know I be sitting here and trying to do my best with these intros with what I got. You know I do. You know I do. So please hit the like button for that. And if you are new, welcome, and hit the subscribe button for the channel. You know, check out previous videos and, you know, let you know when a new video is up. Tell me your thoughts down below and that kind of thing. So let's get it started. So again, these hairs, both of these hairs are from 2 different companies. The Frontal hair is from Queen Beauty Hair, and I believe it was the inches was 14 inches, and this is a 13 by 6 frontal. 13 by 6 frontal. 13 by 6 frontal? Yes, 13 by 6 frontal. Yes. And I just feel like I feel good about the 13 by 6, but we ain't went into the reveal yet, so we're about to get it. So the bundle hair is from ALIPEARL hair, and this I brought about 3 bundles of 16 inches, all the same length. So I'm gonna start with the frontal first. So basically, I ordered, it's on Queen Beauty's on Aliexpress, and I brought it when they had a sale on the I believe it was on the 11th of November. So I brought it on 11 because it was a sale, because usually on AliExpress they have like a 11/11 sale. So I brought it then, and I got it off for at least a good like around $100-something. I believe. I try to remember, but it's just been a while. You know, it's been a little bit of a while. So it didn't took that long. I received it at least under a week. I received it under a week, and I received it by DHL. Once I received it by DHL, like right now, like y'all seeing these edges, they didn't look like this now. It did not look like this. It did not look like this. I will show you a picture of how it looked. Like it looked like it came from the beauty supply store. That hairline, like before, like I only had to show you one side because the other side was plucked. But that hairline looked like it came from the beauty supply store. One of those lace front wigs, the cheap ones now. The cheap synthetic ones with the it costs maybe $40, but it ain't worth no $40. That lace front ain't worth no damn $40. That's what it looks like. So I'm just like, I really had to go in and pluck to get this that was handcrafted by the angels and the gods, you know, aka me, you know, like this ain't no devil shit right now.
It's dark-sided.
This ain't no devil shit. Okay. Okay, I'm just saying, like I did a pretty good job with that part, and I say the hair straightens pretty nice, and I say it can bump, or I was assuming it can. If it's bumping, that means it can hold a curl. So I definitely think it can hold a curl, because I got it glued down. So basically, I've been wearing it without taking it off. So basically, I just wrap up my hair, put the satin bonnet on, that kind of thing. So when I take it off, it kind of usually goes right back into place once I brush it out. And it could be the way how I wrap it too, so that's another reason too. But really, it's holding pretty good. Even the straightness is holding pretty nicely too. And if y'all want to know how I got this color, by the way, I will leave. Y'all can go check out on my channel. I have a tutorial on how I got this color. I didn't want to explain too much how I got this color. I'll just leave a link in the bio, as well as leave a link at the end of the video. So yes, so that's the good thing. It straightens and holds a curl. I feel like it is pretty soft. Like I said, that con about the plucking, I feel like I shouldn't have to be in this day and age having to pluck too much. I had to really pluck to get this really going. So I didn't like that. And then another thing I dislike, I say it sheds. It does shed. All hair gonna shed, right? But I just feel like the frontal shouldn't be shedding too much. It doesn't shed in clumps because you know this hair it still feels nice, but it shouldn't be shedding like that. I just feel like because it's a frontal, like frontals need to be, it should be minimum shedding with frontals. Because if we, you know what I'm saying, I just feel like I'm trying to make frontals last. I mean, I understand when you pluck it, you're gonna lose hair a little bit more, but I don't really pluck. I don't go all the way to the point where I just only go at the front. It's not at the front. It's usually more so like all around the front instead of the like where I plucked at. So I'm just saying, like, I don't know what they're gonna have to do about that. I don't know if it's because maybe the way they ventilated, they might have didn't knot it up too tightly. I don't know. That's the only thing I could say that's a con. And then another con is that I feel like the hair should be fuller. Like it should be all the same length. I'm not saying, like, if y'all people who've been watching my videos for a while or been checking them out, that kind of thing. If y'all saw the tutorial earlier, I had to mold down like a lot of flyaways that's around here. There still might be a flyaway that might be sticking up here and there, but like there was a lot of flyaways on this hair, and I didn't like that. I really did not like that because that kind of just like it's trying to basically like was like a way to fill up the hair instead of like making the hair be all in one length. So that I didn't like that at all. I don't want a whole bunch of flyaways. Like I understand not all hair is gonna be all in one length, but if you have too many flyaways like that, no. Give me all my fullness in the hair when I paid for it, that kind of thing. It's not out of rules. I'm just saying, do better, Queen Beauty. Do better, Queen Beauty. That's all I can tell you. But, however, another thing is the lace. You know, this lace came pretty much transparent, and I just feel like, off topic, this is not just for this company, it's just companies in general. I feel like they need to start adding 13x6 frontals more often, as well as be able to have be able to choose which different lace to wear instead of having just one preferred choice. Like if you can have lace wigs and whatever to choose from to have different lace, then we should have frontals to be able to choose to have different lace. There's too many different kinds of shades of people to just only have one specific tone, you know. I'm just saying, I want all companies to have those options. So that's just my 2 cents on that. But other than that, I give the frontal hair, I'm gonna be generous. No, I ain't gonna be generous. I won't be generous because it's still good. I say it's still good, but it could be better. It could be better. It could be way better compared to my orange wig I've done before. It could be way better. So I'll give it at least a 6.5 out of 10. And I said it, and that's what I said. And it will remain to be what I said until y'all actually do better with that. And then I can come back and be like, oh, okay, y'all listened. So that's all I can say about Cream Beauty hair. Now we can get to the bundle hair. The bundle hair is from ALIPEARL. And I brought 3 bundles, and it's all 16 inches, all the same length. And you know, like I said, I pretty much explained clearly in the tutorial, but I cut this into pretty much a blunt, long bob. And maybe some people might consider this as just a shortcut, but you can consider that too, or you can just consider it as a blunt bob. But what I was going for was a blunt bob. I didn't want it to be super short. I didn't want it to be super short, like close up to my neck or my chin. I just want it to be at least where it's kind of like hitting where my shoulders at. But I might go back in and cut it a little bit more. So if I do, I do. But if I don't, then I just keep it like this. It still look nice though, because it's pretty nice. So anyway, the bundle hair then I brought that like 2 months ago. And I brought it around like October, like last week of October, and they pretty much, I think I like their customer service in a sense. I'm just talking about the customer service for the part that I'm about to talk about right now, is that they sending me an email like, you know, confirm, like if this is the right order, confirm it with us, reply, that kind of thing. And I like that because it's kind of like good to just at least, you know, have a conversation with whoever you whoever's buying from you all, that kind of thing. So that's pretty good to at least make sure that everything is set, so they won't, be like, this ain't the right thing, that kind of thing, et cetera, et cetera. So I like that. And once I confirmed it, I received it by November the 6th, I believe. So yes. And once I received it, only thing I received in the DH bag, and the only thing I could say, only thing I could say about this, it came with the bag like everybody else from on YouTube that I've seen that got a bag from ALIPEARL. I never received the satin bag. I'm just like, I never even brought, this is my first time actually buying hair from them. I'm just like, I thought this, I'm just saying, I thought everybody, like for first time customers, I thought we'd get satin bags. I'm just like, they give me one. So yeah, I didn't like that. That's the only thing I didn't like. I'm just like, it's not that, I'm not gonna care about it. I'm just like, girl, I just want the satin bag too. Can I get one? So yeah. So this is the bundle, or like pretty much all bundle, because I use only about 2 bundles, and I just use about maybe at least 1/4 of this bundle. So basically, this is the 3rd bundle, or the last bundle left I have, and pretty much this hair, as you can see, it looks pretty soft. It looks like it's kind of thick looking, because it is. I say it is kind of thick because like I only had to use 2 bundles, and right now I thought it was gonna be like thin. I was just, that's why I brought 3 bundles just in case. So that's why I thought like it's gonna be thin. But when I flat iron everything, it pretty much looked like it's just blend. It's thick and it's just matching in with the other hair, that kind of thing. So as you can see, I'm combing through it right now. I'm trying to see if I can shed. I got one strand right here. That's gonna be my another con that I'll say about this is the shedding. Like this hair sheds as well. And like it sheds pretty more often than normal. And then it tangles. Not tangled in the front, but more so in the back. Compared, like, if anybody watched my orange hair review, I said it never tangle in the back, and that's longer hair. And this hair I cut and stuff like that. So I like right now, I can't show y'all, but like right now I might get stuck a little bit at that nape area. Like see right now, I'm getting see I'm trying to do it. It's getting like tangled right here. So I'm just like, I don't really like, I usually take care of my wigs or my hair anyway in general. So I'm just like, I don't know, it's pretty much the hair that's doing it. So I don't know what's going on with that. I'm just saying they need to do better with the bundle hair as well. So that's another con. So overall, I give the same rating for the hair, a 6.5 out of 10, because it's like it feels nice. Like if y'all looking at it, if you looking at it, it's just like, oh, it feels nice. But you see, like I said, I got a few more strands. There's some strands right here, right now on my pants. You can't see it, but it's like on my pants right now. And then the tangling part, like, yeah, it seemed like it could be much more better. The hair could be much more better. But it's not, it doesn't tangle, but however, it doesn't tangle when I wash it though, because I wash my bundles and stuff like that. So when I wash it, I always try to see if the blonde hair is going to be able to come through while wet, that kind of thing. And it does come, it was easily able to come through and stuff. So I don't know what's going on with it. So I just feel like it could be a little bit better. So honestly, I'm just trying to say, if y'all want people to come back, make it better quality. I'm just saying. That's all I'm saying. I'm not trying to be rude about it. I'm just trying to help y'all out. Y'all want to be, still help make your business last. You keep on lasting, keep on doing your thing, that kind of thing. So yeah. So that's all I can say about both this hair. So I hope y'all enjoyed it. I hope y'all like everything I do. I hope y'all like the intro. And thanks anybody again for watching. And if I don't see y'all after these videos, happy holidays and happy new year, and check out previous videos. Comment down below your thoughts, if you ever used this hair before, or both these companies before, or that kind of thing. If you liked, my edges, my fake edges, and my color, that kind of thing, the intro, anything, just like it, share it, that kind of thing. So I hope to see y'all soon. Catch y'all on the next one. Peace.